Tesla Bot is expected to continue dominating the media and captivating tech enthusiasts with its groundbreaking updates. It will be capable of performing numerous tasks that were previously unheard of, such as washing dishes, cooking, and cleaning the house. The most astonishing aspect is that the Optimus Gen 3 version is also set to debut at the end of 2025, following the completion of a new hand design and other upgrades, including faster movement capabilities and enhanced degrees of freedom in the hands. Elon Musk has confirmed that Tesla plans to produce at least 10,000 robots this year to meet the demand for a limited batch by year-end. So, could Tesla produce millions of Optimus robots? That's what we'll dive into in today's episode. And welcome to Techno Creators. Before we begin, please help us reach 4,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great tech episodes. If the current Optimus Gen 2 has already amazed us, the next version, Gen 3, will leave an even stronger impression. This version will feature upgraded hands, a new design, and improved performance specifications, all aimed at making Optimus Gen 3 more versatile and better equipped to handle tasks compared to its predecessor. Although it has not been made available for sale in 2024, Optimus Gen 3 is expected to launch by the end of 2025 with a series of remarkable upgrades. It will be capable of handling twice the number of tasks as Gen 2. Additionally, Optimus will move faster and have a much more natural gait. One of the most anticipated features of Optimus Gen 3 is its revolutionary hand design. Clearly, Optimus Gen 2, which already impressed with its dexterity in the tasks demonstrated by Tesla, set a high standard. However, Optimus Gen 3 will feature hands with double the degrees of freedom. This upgrade not only enhances functionality, but also redefines what a humanoid robot can achieve. Specifically, the initial 11 degree of freedom hands were capable of handling 50% of basic tasks, such as folding clothes, watering plants, and tending to a garden. With the new upgraded hands boasting 22 degrees of freedom, the robot can handle twice as many tasks, achieving up to 100% efficiency and even performing dangerous and heavy-duty work. From simple tasks to precision-demanding activities, Tesla Bot's new hands bring a significant advantage. For example, in a demo video, it demonstrated catching a ball with perfect accuracy, a feat previously achievable only by human hands. Additionally, Tesla has refined the terrain navigation capabilities of the Optimus robot, and Gen 3 is set to showcase even greater advancements. With lighter materials and more powerful actuators, Gen 3 not only moves smoothly, but also exhibits a much more natural gait. While functionality is the main focus, the aesthetic appeal of Tesla Bot should not be overlooked. As Elon Musk has hinted, Optimus Gen 3 might feature a unique design. Although the specifications remain unclear, we can expect a sleeker appearance, including materials encasing the technical skeletal structure previously unveiled by Tesla. This enhancement would reduce the impact of dust and water during Optimus's operations, adding both durability and visual sophistication. How Tesla Optimus will make its own copy. Elon Musk has declared that Tesla will produce billions of Optimus robots. This may sound exaggerated and hard to believe, but it is entirely feasible for a company like Tesla. As Tesla transitions to the scaling phase, they will optimize the production process by automating key stages from assembling the robot frames to integrating electronic components and refining software. The collaboration between manufacturing robots and workers will create a synchronized, efficient, and rapid production process. Have you ever heard about the possibility of a Tesla bot being capable of building another Tesla bot? This is a scenario that could become a reality as Tesla moves closer to its goal of producing 1 million units of Optimus at least by 2026. The world will change as people increasingly find themselves short on time for all their tasks. In such a scenario, we could buy a Tesla bot and place it in our homes, ready to clean, do laundry, cook, take care of pets, and even look after children, just as Elon Musk previously claimed. From the very beginning, Optimus was designed to resemble human nature as closely as possible. That's why everything from its design to its size isn't too different from that of a human. Compared to robots with fully detailed faces like Amica, Optimus embraces absolute simplicity with just an LED strip, making it appear less intimidating. This addresses the uncanny valley effect. Although it is a robot, Optimus can communicate and use body language to interact with humans as naturally as possible. This is a significant advantage, especially in getting along with children. Notably, the Tesla bot can understand emotions and perform tasks with remarkable precision, thanks to its advanced vision system and sensors developed by Tesla. With the advanced 4680 battery technology providing a total capacity of 2.5 kilowatt-hours, Tesla Optimus can operate continuously for 10 hours, or even up to 12 hours for simpler tasks. During this time, Optimus can perform various tasks without interruption, ensuring seamless workflow. Combined with next-generation hands featuring 22 degrees of freedom, closely matching the human hand's 27 degrees of freedom, Optimus can handle up to 70% of daily tasks that we perform. In other words, the robot will be utilized in Tesla's robot manufacturing facilities to continue producing new versions of this humanoid robot. This creates a significant competitive advantage against the entire robotics industry today. Recently, alongside the praise and excitement surrounding the latest updates Tesla Optimus has received, particularly the next-generation hands hinting at a new version expected to launch by the end of 2025, there have also been concerns. This stems from instances where the Tesla bot was repeatedly discovered to be remotely controlled. Such revelations have led many to doubt the robot's ability to autonomously perform tasks when it reaches customers. Naturally, no one wants to spend tens of thousands of dollars on a robot that operates under manual control, as that would be practically useless and easily achievable by many other humanoid robot manufacturers. These changes make internal combustion engines, coal, and even lithium batteries obsolete, as nano diamond batteries outperform lithium batteries in durability by decades. In addition, quantum batteries boast twice the energy density of LFP, reach 340 miles on a single charge, and can charge to 80% in just 10 minutes, marking a breakthrough in Tesla's future fast-charging battery technology. Graphene aluminum batteries are 30% more cost-effective with a resource base of just $2,078 per ton. So which of Tesla's anticipated models will they be used? How is Tesla officially leading the battery industry? 1. Nano diamond battery. Why not lithium? Imagine a future by 2028 where emissions are nearly zero, thanks to electric vehicles powered by self-charging batteries that require only air to operate. Yes, electric car batteries made from nanodiamond molecular particles, an innovative technology that makes them ideal for a wide range of devices. Eternal batteries use layers of diamond to encase radioactive isotopes, safely harnessing their radiation to generate a small but continuous electric charge. The diamond acts as a semiconductor, converting radiation from carbon-14 into electrical energy. This process is safe because the diamond casing contains the radiation, making the batteries ideal for use in electronics, medical devices, and even space exploration. With a lifespan of up to 28 years, these batteries are made from nuclear waste, specifically carbon-14, encased in synthetic diamond. Nanodiamond batteries convert nuclear waste into usable energy without emitting any carbon waste, requiring only natural air to operate. While they need an initial charge to start, they can store energy for much longer, extending the lifespan of both the device and the user, while also being cost-effective. The batteries self-charge, and any excess charge can be stored in supercapacitors, extending the overall battery life, especially in electric vehicles. Energy density is a crucial factor when evaluating any type of battery, as it directly impacts various aspects of an electric vehicle, particularly its range on a single charge. Currently, NCM batteries boast energy densities ranging from 180 to 220 watt-hours per kilogram. However, nano diamond batteries are estimated to offer an energy density up to 10 times higher than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Although the company has not disclosed the specific energy density of this battery yet, it is estimated to be around 500 watt-hours per kilogram, with the potential to optimize cost and weight for electric vehicles. One of the key advantages of nano diamond batteries is their safety in the event of a crash or accident, which could be a decisive factor in replacing lithium-ion batteries in electric vehicles. Due to the natural strength of diamonds, they have a remarkably high resistance to physical damage. In a typical accident, the battery structure may be compromised, leading to dangerous outcomes like an explosion. However, with nano-diamond batteries, such risks are minimized, offering enhanced safety in crash scenarios. The company is confident that the production cost of nano-diamond batteries will ultimately be lower than that of lithium-ion batteries, though this can only be realized once manufacturing technologies are scaled and improved. Currently, lithium-ion batteries cost around $70 to $150 per kilowatt-hour, a relatively affordable price, while diamonds and similar materials are still considered expensive. When we talk about lower costs, it's important to understand that nano-diamond batteries will offer significantly longer lifespans, reducing replacement and maintenance costs by up to 80%. This not only lowers overall maintenance and replacement expenses, but also cuts warranty costs for electric vehicles, offering long-term savings to the consumer. Second, quantum battery. Traditional batteries, often based on chemical processes involving lithium-ion or lead acid, have made significant advancements over the years. However, they still face limitations in terms of energy density, charging time, lifespan, and environmental impact. As the demand for energy storage continues to grow, these limitations are becoming increasingly important and need to be addressed. Unlike traditional batteries, where energy storage and release are governed by chemical reactions, quantum batteries leverage quantum states and phenomena such as superposition and entanglement. In theory, these principles could allow quantum batteries to offer much higher energy densities and extremely fast charging times compared to their conventional counterparts. These principles from quantum mechanics could lead to the creation of a supercharging storage system. Because entanglement allows the particles within a quantum battery to become synchronized, it opens up the possibility of synchronous charging across the entire battery system. Currently, a Tesla electric vehicle takes about 30 minutes to fully charge its battery. However, with quantum batteries, this charging time could be drastically reduced to just 10 to 15 minutes, or even instantaneous under optimal conditions. This could radically improve the user experience at charging stations, shortening the time required to recharge. Research has also shown that superposition allows particles, like electrons, to exist in multiple states or locations simultaneously. This means that energy can be stored not just in a single state, but across a range of states at the same time. As a result, quantum batteries could achieve twice the energy density of traditional batteries, allowing for more energy to be stored in the same amount of space. Currently, the LFP batteries used in Tesla Model 3 have an energy density of about 165 watt-hours per kilogram, which limits the vehicle's driving range. However, with quantum batteries that offer energy densities up to 330 watt-hours per kilogram, electric vehicles could see a significant increase in range. With twice the energy density, quantum batteries could allow a Model 3 to travel up to 375 miles or more on a single charge, while maintaining a lightweight and compact design. 3. Graphene aluminum battery. Graphene aluminum-ion batteries, composed primarily of graphene and aluminum, hold great potential due to the excellent electrical conductivity of graphene and the abundance, affordability, and environmental friendliness of aluminum. These batteries use aluminum ions instead of lithium ions, with graphene serving as the cathode and aluminum as the anode. This technology is considered a breakthrough in the battery industry. Currently, the 4680 battery in the Cybertruck has an energy density of 272 watt-hours per kilogram, which is the highest among the company's models. This indicates that the graphene aluminum-ion battery would need to match or exceed this range. As we understand it, this battery technology is already achieving slightly higher energy densities than any current battery, reaching up to 300 watt-hours per kilogram. While it doesn't have the extreme energy density of other batteries, its lighter weight and lower cost make it an attractive option for Tesla's future electric vehicles. Initially, the energy density of this battery type was around 150 watt-hours per kilogram, but after improvements made in 2022, GMG has increased this figure to 300 watt-hours per kilogram, with plans to exceed this as mass production begins. We haven't seen updated figures for the current energy density of the graphene aluminum-ion battery, but GMG previously revealed that it will surpass 300 watt-hours per kilogram. We may see official announcements later this year as the technology is commercialized. A significant issue with electric vehicles is that after 6 to 7 years of use, the battery often degrades, and replacement costs can run into tens of thousands of dollars. In contrast, LFP batteries, while relatively low in performance, are much cheaper, while other high-performance batteries tend to be more expensive. The cathode of a lithium-ion battery accounts for about 51% of the cost. When comparing metal prices, lithium costs about $13,000 per ton, while cobalt, nickel, and manganese are priced at $71,000, $24,000, and $2,500 per ton. Aluminum, however, is much more affordable, at around $2,078 per ton, and graphene, although its price can vary, may be significantly cheaper than precious metals. We hope you'll experience the utmost relaxation after watching this video. If you do, please press the like button and join the Techno creator community by subscribing to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon to stay tuned for any fantastic videos coming your way. Your feedback and time are highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Until then, stay safe and enjoy.